In this video, I will be showing you how to get Copilot in Google Chrome Sidebar, just like Microsoft Edge. Let's get started. First, I go to the top right corner of my Chrome browser and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the main menu. From this menu, I hover down to the Extensions option, and then I click on Visit Chrome Web Store from the submenu. Once the Chrome Web Store loads in a new tab, I click on the search bar right at the top of the page. I want to find the specific extension for this, so I type in Copilot Sidebar and hit Enter to search the store. When the search results appear, I look for the one called Copilot Sidebar for Chrome and click on it to view its details. On the extension's main page, I move my mouse over to the right side and click on the blue Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up window appears at the top asking for confirmation. I click on Add Extension to proceed with the installation. Now, Chrome takes a few seconds to download and install it. You will see a setup page automatically open up in a new tab. Sometimes, this page might say that the site can't be reached. I'll click the blue Reload button a couple of times to see if it refreshes. If it still doesn't load, there is absolutely no need to worry. The extension has already been successfully installed into our browser in the background, so this setup page isn't strictly necessary for us to use the tool. Since it's not loading, I will just go ahead and close this setup tab. Now, I will open a brand new tab to test out our newly installed tool. To access Copilot, I click on the extension's puzzle piece icon, which is located in the top right corner of the browser window. A drop-down menu appears with my installed extensions, and I click directly on Copilot Sidebar for Chrome. As you can see, the Copilot sidebar seamlessly slides open on the right side of my screen. This gives me the exact same convenient experience as the native sidebar found in Microsoft Edge. Now, let's test it out to make sure everything is working perfectly. I move my mouse down to the Message Copilot chat box at the bottom of the sidebar, click on it, and type in my prompt, Weather Update Today. Then, I hit the Send button to submit the message. The Copilot takes just a brief moment to search the web and compile the information. It quickly generates a complete and highly detailed weather report right here in the side panel. I can simply scroll down to read through the current temperature, the humidity levels, the daytime forecast, and even some key advice for the day. Having this right in the sidebar means I can chat with AI and get quick answers without ever having to leave or disrupt my current browsing tab. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.